Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater. Guess what? I was just raking into savings. Did you put a lot of miles on your vehicle this summer? Well, we are offering a fall maintenance clinic at BMW of Bridgewater. We are going to have a multi-point inspection, which involves battery and brake check, tire pressure, belts and hoses, wipers, and so much more. And we're going to even top off all your fluids. And the best part about this is we're going to be offering 10% off on all recommended services. So don't wait until the light comes on, because we are also going to offer a pickup and drop off service if you are within 20 miles radius of the dealership. This offer runs from September 1st to October 31st. Terms and conditions apply. So why don't you give us a call at 908-287-1800 to schedule your appointment today, or you could click the link below to schedule your appointment online. Don't forget to like and subscribe.